welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. Y'all just laugh. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump right into this video. I have been obsessed with this woman from Instagram, the hair diagram. Everybody knows her skills and her daughter's skills, and oh my goodness. So I had to stalk her, and when I stalked her, I realized that she was an entrepreneur. So I wanted to support. So I went and I picked up the products. Yay! Aren't you guys so proud of me? I won't be using Got to Be Glued this video. I mean, I already did. I did the scalp method, but this is not my hair, y'all. This is a wig that I reviewed some time back, and the only thing I did to it was I twisted it. I put some twist in it and I let it dry, child. It took a day and a half to dry, but it finally dried and I love it. I love her. She is everything that I wish that my hair was. My hair is actually longer than this wig when this wig is stretched out, but it's not as thick. Like, no. So, Sugar Waffle is helping me model this beautiful Virgin Ombre 360 frontal wig. On the website, I believe it's called TLW502. And she's great. She's Ombre, right? She got some blonde in her. Right? So we're getting into the springiness of things, and let's spring into some color, because I think I missed the whole neon wig. Have I? Maybe I didn't, because I really want to try a neon wig, but you know, my kids are getting old and they try to clown me and stuff, but you know what, I got something for them. Neon hair is fun. Colorful hair is fun. If you can rock it and you feel comfortable with doing that, then do it. I remember the first time I wore colorful hair, I had kids following me in the store like I was Ronald McDonald. So here, the color is a bit like brownish, then straight to blonde. So let me go ahead and show you the cap construction. It comes with the adjustable strap. And I'm guessing that if you want to try to wear this wig glueless, this would be the best way. It does have temple combs. It does not have a crown comb, but it does have a comb in the back to secure it with adjustable straps. So the wig did come pre-plucked, and this hairline is something else. Get into it. So I'm excited. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna cut the lace, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna prep my perimeter. Is that the word? Yes, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna get started on unselling this beautiful 360 wig. Judge. Okay, she's all cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay her on my head to try to see if my hairline is gonna be alright. Oh, this is a different side part. I usually part my hair on the other side, but this will do. That looks good already. What the heck? We are a go for liftoff, folks. Time to secure. Okay, so I have some alcohol, and I've seen people use astringent, but I don't have Sea Breeze to knock your mama out. Sea Breeze back in the day, and you better not have a cut when you use that stuff. But yes, my mom used to use Sea Breeze every night, and I'll never forget the smell. And when it says astringent, honey, this is astringent. Cleaning off the area where I'm going to be applying the glue, and making sure that there's no oils or makeup. Let me do that one more time, just in case, because I'm very oily. So now I'm using this BoldHold skin protectant. Or what? Oh, this is the remover, not the protectant. Okay, so I got the BoldHold active because I figured maybe I might be able to, you know, do some workouts in this. Must use BoldHold skin protectant before applying BoldHold active, which I didn't do. I just realized that I bought the lace remover and not the protectant, but I'll get the protectant. I'll go ahead and order that tonight. Very thin layers, up to 7. Each layer must be clear before adding the next layer attached unit. Allow 24 hours before getting wet. You may use BoldHold lace wig tape. I already done messed up. Let's just do it. So when I've seen girls use it, I've seen them dot very, very sparingly, which makes me scared, because this stuff must be a bad mama shut your mouth if you have to use so little. Compare it with the amount of, you know, styling gel that I use and Got to Be Glued. It's been such a long time since I've actually used a lace adhesive. I forget how powerful they can be. Back in the day, I used to use Dabbling Green, and that stuff will rip your whole life away, honey. I'm scared to do more than 2. Even though they say you can apply up to 7, I'm probably not gonna be wearing this. You know, I like to take my wigs off, and this is probably the dumbest thing to use as an applicator. Ooh, it's sticky. Oh, that was quick. Uh-oh. This is real sticky. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, that's real sticky. I have a feeling that that's gonna grip my wig as soon as I put it on. Let's go for it. Oh my gosh, no more waiting forever for your hair to dry. Alright, girl. You ever feel like you got one chance, one opportunity? Oh, it's already whipping the wig. Oh my god. It's already stuck to my head. I can feel it pulling on the other side, yo. What? I mean, I can't. It's amazing. This stuff is the truth. You guys, this has not even been on my head. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'll put the top on this stuff. Oh my goodness. Well, the wig is secured. That literally took me not even 5 minutes. Although I do wish I had the lace protected. I can't believe I've missed. I was so excited to get this stuff too, and I was so excited to show it off, and look what I did. I didn't get the right stuff. Just gonna do a little quick style. And that's it, guys. That's all I'm gonna do. The wig in the picture is nice and beautiful and wavy. So my waves have kind of left for some reason. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recreate that with my barrel wands. And it's really cute and quick technique on how to get wavy hair with the curling iron. I had the wrong curling iron. I'm doing waves, so I wanted this kind of curling iron. Because the other one, I mean, you could do the same thing, but it's shush, all right? Okay, all right. So, we're just gonna add the waves. Really super simple. Bop, shabang, boom, bang, bang, boom, bang. Take a section of hair. Just wanna work from the bottom to the top. Tutor to the booter. Grip my hair, and then as I'm going around the curling iron, I'm twisting it. And I love this kind of curling iron because the style takes no time at all. Because you don't want it curly, you just want a slight wave. And then boom. Wave. Super simple. So enjoy the sped up version brought to you by Adobe Premiere Pro. So, look at these beautiful waves, gorgeous color, secured, okay? I might even go out in the rain with this wig. So let me show you how long she is. So she's 18 inches, and with the waves, oh, they're not symmetrical. Let's figure that real quick. Are my eyelashes still crooked? I forgot to check. No! No. Ooh, I can smell burning hair. 18 inches, 3-color ombre. A nice little gradual color. And when it's curled, the effect is so pretty. I'm trying to like fluff it, but I'm getting it frizzy. How is that gonna happen? It's impossible. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love her. She is beautiful and shiny and very low maintenance. And this BoldHold, honey. I'm a converter. I believe. I've seen the light. No more got to be glued for me. And you know what? I just want to say, thank goodness that I bought the lace remover instead of the lace, because I would have brought the lace protectant and the BoldHold and not all three. I would have messed up. So thank goodness I have something to remove it with. Otherwise I would be wearing this wig until my shipment came in. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.